Spanish with Lily. Animales del zoológico in Spanish. Hola amigos, hello friends. My name is Lily. And this is my friend Gordito. Today we are going to learn zoo animals in español con nuestros amiguitos, with our little friends. Are you ready? Vamos, let's go! Mira que grande! Look how big! It has a long trunk. Tiene una trompa larga. That's an elephant. In Spanish we say elefante. Say it with me. Elefante. One more time. Elefante. Muy bien. Well done. Wow, mira hacia arriba. Wow, look up high. This animal has a super long neck. Este animal tiene un cuello super largo. It's a giraffe. In Spanish we say jirafa. Say it with me. Jirafa. One more time. Jirafa. Excelente. Excellent. This one is playful. Este es muy juguetón. It swings on the trees. Se mece en los árboles. That's a monkey. In Spanish we say mono. Say it with me. Mono. One more time. Mono. ¡Qué divertido! Oh, what fun! Look at those stripes. Mira esas rayas. Black and white. Negro y blanco. That's a zebra. In Spanish we say cebra. Say it with me. Cebra. One more time. Cebra. Buen trabajo. Good job. It's the king of the jungle. Es el rey de la jungla. He goes rah. Él hace rugido. That's a lion. In Spanish we say león. Say it with me. León. One more time. León. Lo hiciste. You did it. Well done, amiguitos. Let's say los animales one more time. Elefante. Jirafa. Mono. Cebra. León. Muy bien, amiguitos. You did amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with Lily. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon.